How to change avatar in solo leveling Arise. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can change your avatar in solo leveling. First of all, launch open the solo leveling Arise game on your mobile device or your tablets and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the main home page of the game, go ahead and tap on your username at the top left corner. This will take you to your profile where you can tap on the pencil button underneath your current avatar. You'll be able to see different avatar options, but some of them are locked. You'll be able to unlock these avatars as you progress throughout the game. So make sure you keep playing the game, and once they unlock, you can come back to this page and select one of the avatars and tap on apply at the bottom. Just make sure to keep playing the game since avatars unlock through story progress, events, achievements, or purchases. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.